Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the phase detection with Python. I know it's very too much old algorithm and or scared phase detection and so let's see. So here is some theory: object detector, rapid fire of the algorithm, and then he will convert it in the phase rectangles, sides, nose side, eye side, and faces. So here the first section, here our result, you can see the more uh, detail. You go to the OpenCV main source file. So Haar Cascade, here you can see the edges is line in and four rectangular face, nose, and eyes technique. So let's start how to run. And I know it's too much old, and we why we discuss in this technical phase 2022. So using this algorithm, we are creating about the all our subscriber and viewer you, who learned the OpenCV, and it's very basic. So here we go to the basics directory, go to the our algorithm. You can see it here, the OpenCV. Here mentioning of the Haar Cascade file. You can see Haar Cascade ice. Here is face. You create own Haar Cascade XML file. In this video, we will only deck the face and the eyes. So here our mention the camera. Here our loop. You can assign the text of the face coordinates, number of frames, convert into the video, then build show the real-time camera. Here the eyes coordinates, here our result. So I'm open my terminal. I'm going to the my desktop directory. So here our YouTube directory, cd first. You can see the face.master. I'm downloading code from here. Actually, I am coding download code my GitHub account here 6 years ago. My code, so explore here. Now I am today very excited. So detection my face. So you can see this. Just run Python, and you can see the result. Hope you will like for more getting informational updates, and keep watching.